rest my heart before before my heart go collapse. Eh? See as I dey waka for this life like somebody that no get anybody for life. I be like in sheep that lost way to the flock. Since I born me, nothing good dey happen for my life. Story dey get happy ending, but my story of plenty bad things wey dey happen no dey ever finish. I start story that float away on the ocean of tears. In my life, nothing at all dey stable. Nothing dey stable. Make I stop to dey cry, abi make I believe say the rain go wash all this pain wey I dey pass through. Thing be say nobody know for sure where I go find peace. Can love bring peace? I wonder.
You're very lucky. You're very lucky that we met you here. You're very lucky. Had it been we met you at home, it wouldn't have been like this. Why you the back like a dog? We the back like dog. What did you say? That I'm backing like a dog. Wait, that I'm backing like a dog. What you said?
No, hold on.
That I'm backing like a dog.
Hold on. Don't follow it that way, eh?
Papa, you're the one holding me.
Hold on, don't worry. Dekachi, let me ask you. Is it that you are deaf? Or maybe you've grown too stubborn, too big and stubborn to listen to me? Eh? No, you don't obey me, eh?
What do you talk? You talk up, go. Your son is back like a dog. Go make it.
Yeah, wait, who is backing like a dog?
See, Papa, you're the one holding me.
Don't worry.
That you're holding me now. You know that my father is holding me.
Hold on. Don't worry. Dekachi.
It's suffered. Talk, I hear you.
Wait. Why did you go to that land again? After I warned you never to step on that land near the market. Mm-hmm. You see when they cleared it?
You want me not go my papa land?
Eh?
That land it be your own? Why you want me to make I not go my papa land? So you still have the man to talk. My father is talking to you and you have the man to talk. Papa, you're not holding me. Because if I get close to him now, you still have man to talk to my father. When my father is still speaking. Papa, continue.
Hold on.
See where I go blow you for here. You say what? To God, if you touch me again, see where it's like if not that my father is.
Wait. Leave him.
You're not your.
Leave him. You. Come. Let me tell you, eh? The next time I see you on that land, or you ever step your feet on that land again, hey, you will regret being born on this part, this side of the earth. I'm warning you now for the last time.
For the very last time.
For the last time.
The final warning. Final warning.
You don't talk finish.
What I don't talk finish?
You don't talk finish. You see this your son, you know say they give an injection every month. If like say the one where you give an last month, you don't expire.
See. Papa.
No, make you come.
Make I come with you. If not, my father is holding me. What I will have done to you now?
Talk nonsense. Make you stop me, talk nonsense. Make I know why I no go my papa land. Go.
Your papa land. Okay, don't worry. You will soon go your mama land. Go
Papa, you are the one holding me.
No, don't worry.
Uncle, good morning.
Is your uncle again?
Who else now? Who else? I don't know what I do them for that house. Oh. What I do them now? The only thing I do, no, because say my papa, you know, or because I don't get money. Small boys, where I give 5 years, I give the other one 7 years. They insult me. For what now?
Onyedikachi, come and sit down. Onyedikachi, sit down here.
Yeah, I don't like him.
Onyedikachi.
I know why all this thing they happen. I know why all this thing they happen. Now see finish.
Onyedikachi. Onyedikachi, do not let what you think you can do take away who you are from you.
Okay, every time I come to tell you my problem, you talk this thing. Who truly are? Who truly are? Who truly are? So make her keep my hands like make they keep me. Because I know if you drink water drop cup. Every time you tell me make a who truly are? Who truly are? Okay, I don't like this thing. No. I don't like him.
Onyedikachi. Onyedikachi, some fights are not really worth it. Eh? Fighting your uncle Arinze is the most irrelevant thing you can think of now. Eh? You have a lot of things to catch up with. You have no education. You have no job experience. Eh? You have no sustainable means of income. Eh?
That ain't be the problem now. My uncle and Pikini, they don't want to make her catch up. I tell you this because now you be elder. Now you is senior or the elder for this village. You tell me equal because me I don't like what did happen. Huh? Even this my
You mean your predicament?
Predicament. Now my uncle now he do am now. You know everything. Every access. My papa he get. Now he collect everything. School I no go. Access. My papa access. He sold everything. Everything. He collect all my papa property. He collect everything. He make me I no get anything. Still, you know what make I rest you. You know what make I drink water drop cup. I go angry.
You know,
I tell you the because if he stay on toes, he start
standing on your toe.
He said stand on my. I strangle.
Don't strangle.
I tell you.
Do not strangle anybody. Because if you do that, you would have done to yourself worse than any other person could have done to you. Yeah?
He consign me. I go jail now. If I strangle, I go jail now. I go jail.
No, you don't need to. You see,
small boys. He send them every time. They do me like this for my head. Small boys. I know when I change their napkin. I wanna change Olisa napkin now. Olisa tell me say he go beat me. Olisa tell me say he go beat me. In Papa is support him.
They don't mind those things. Eh? You see, what you should be thinking now is how to make yourself become somebody in this society. Eh? How to learn a good business of your own, run business of your own, marry a good wife that you love, have children of yourself. Then you become relevant to the society. Those boys that have been insulting you will come down to bow to you.
If I marry my Flora, all of them they go bow down.
Bow.
They go bow down.
Mm-hmm. So that is where your thoughts should be going, not just thinking about fighting. But just now. When you can imagine now.
Okay, talk through, but you know, I stay my own. Now them they find my trouble now.
Otala, abeg, I no get time for joke o. Abeg, make you just dey go.
Dekachi one man, Dekachi, calm down. See, now my man you be. Any high way you be, any mood where you dey, just try give me money, even if not for one buck. Make I tell they chill my soul.
You know say this thing the way you dey do, you don dey turn to habit yo. Every time you waka for load, you stop person say you want buy drink. Woman pass, you stop and say you want buy drink. Make you stop am o. Small time if you no see money to buy drink, you thief person money to buy drink. Make you know they too do am na. Every time you see me say you want buy drink, abeg make you go. I dey angry as you dey see me now. Abeg.
Let me tell this thing. Okay, you know wahala now. Make I carry the news where I carry come. Make I carry and they go. As you know, they angry. They are angry. They go. You know, you dey angry, abi?
Wait na no. Wetin dey do you? Small thing you go begin do like say. You go begin do like say your pass you know dey for market. Make it not be because every time you see me, because I tell you make you dey give me information. Every time he say he go make I dey bring money for drink.
I dey force you bring am. I dey force you.
Come on, you know say every time you small thing you don dey do like say your pass you know dey for market. Make you take am easy o. No be every time you see me you tell me make you bring money make you buy drink because I tell you make you help me they give me information.
I dey force you. I dey force you.
Wait sef, the news wey you carry come na good abi bad news?
Na bad news wan carry me dey waka under this sun. No, na because of bad news I go dey trek like this dey waka. I still say you no ready.
Wait, I go leave you make you go. You dey do like say
I go with my news now.
Make you stand for here. They do like say if I tell you make you go, you go.
You know the amount
make you take 200. Make I take 200.
But you go tell me the name of beer where I go use 200 to buy now. Na beer we talk. You come bring which beer? Then they say 200. Name am. Which beer be that?
Make you collect 200. They ask for the one where you get.
Beer now. We talk. I tell you say one buy. Wetin 200 the one buy? And I buy here and a cup. Do this thing now. You give me. If you no want give me beer, tell me. I know they like it.
Take. If you bring that beer, your belly go burst.
If you hear this news, your ear go burst.
Your belly go burst.
Your ear go burst. Think they worry yourself.
See as he be like you go on.
Make I even tell you this thing they come out here. You don't they change my mood. See, make I tell you. Flora, don't come back. As I'm talking to you now, Flora don't dey Lagos. He dey one place for hotel, they chill. Very soon, he go enter. Now I say make I tell you.
So this in Lagos where she did, she know they come back, Yabi?
How?
Maybe what you tell me say Flora you don't come back to Lagos. Every time you see me say he dey Lagos, I be Lagos, you know be the one where you go pass Ijabo.
I don't tell you this one before.
Oh, you don't know what you tell.
What are you now? What did you say? Come over here. Come on, what are you?
Just do anyhow. What did you worry you? You see you? If I leave that money for you, no say I'll be bastard. Every time you tell me you get good news, now good news you tell me before. Now you go still tell me say you get good news. And they come thief to play, see? You go for me to that money. If you not finish, I go catch you.
Where are you coming from?
Sir?
Are you deaf? I'm asking you, where are you coming from?
Sir, I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Sir, see, I just come out small. Say make I go do small meet and greet with my friends. These friends, what they tell you, no be small pikin, no. These ones now my main friends. The ones who follow me all the way from nursery school, primary, secondary. Some of them even follow me go university. Just say I know.
Will you just shut up? Shut that thing you call a mouth.
Sorry, sir. Is that why you locked me up in my own house? Sir, no verse. No verse, sir. See, let me tell you the truth, eh? It is better you are locked up in your own house than the people to just enter here and come kidnap you, carry you go lock inside bush, or make they carry you go lock inside smelling police cell. You no too strong, you no fit survive. Very stupid. Idiot. Now, pack your things, everything you have, and leave this house. Eh? By the time I go out and come back, if you have not picked everything you have in this place and leave my house, your name will transform to Ukrobovo Bukrowovo. Sir? Do you know what that means? A one-legged and one-handed man. Sir, you never reach like this. Come, sir. Come. It has not gotten to this point. No verse, sir. No verse. You are a fool. Idiot. Sir, come. Sir. Boss, sir.
You won't believe what somebody told me today. Market. He said he saw Nonye in what did he call that village? In Ozobolo. Ozobolo. He saw our Nonye in Ozobolo. Hi.
Ozobolo?
Yes.
Ozobolo? Far away Anambra State?
Yes, I think it's that one. Hi.
Say! Why is life treating me this way? Well, why is it? Huh? Why is life treating me so bad?
Nah, don't start again. Huh? I know how you feel, Nai. Huh? I know how you feel. But you should be happy. Huh? You know you have not been yourself since she left over 10 years ago. Huh? They even said she does business in Nkwonewi. Huh? She owns a business in Nkwonewi. And
yes, I am happy. I am happy. A girl that I used all my life savings, almost all my life savings, to send to the University of Nigerian Nsukka. Got pregnant and ran into exile, only to become a trader in the University of Nkwonewi. I am happy. I want me to be happy. Let me draw the sky and let heaven fall. To show that I'm happy. I'm happy.
Nah, it's okay.
He wants me to be happy.
It's okay, Nai, eh? It's okay. But Nai, there's nothing like University of Nkwonewi. There's nothing like Nkwonewi University. But on a serious note, Nai, we have to be happy. At least they now know where she is. We can see her. Eh? Please, Nai.
Oh, yes. That is because I thought that something bad must have happened to her. A girl that I brought up in the fear of the Lord. Turn out to become a bold prostitute. A bold harlot. And you think I'll be happy?
It's okay, Nai. Eh? It's okay. Eh? At least we now know where she is. Oh? Just calm down, please. Eh?
All the now that you intend going to see her?
Yes, I will. Yes.
Extend my greetings to her. Biko, extend my greetings to her. Hey, life.
It's okay, Nai. It's okay. Calm down. Oh? Calm down.
How? Life, is that how you treat me?
Just because I come out here, go see small boys wey me and them go school together. Small boys. I don't even waste time. Boys wey me and them go nursery, primary, almost university self.
It's okay.
Can't sack me.
Just go back to your duty post. I will talk to him when he comes back, okay?
Are you serious? Hey, madam, I beg, let me explain this thing well to you, so that when you be talking to him, you will not make mistake. So you know everything you have to say.
Are you interested in telling me the story or going back to your job?
What story? As newscaster or what? Madam, no verse,
Just go.
Arababu, the story.
Come, why you know they stay where you they walk?
Which kind of rubbish stuff is that one? Which kind of nonsense stuff is that one? So because I bring good news, you can't give you now, and I make you come to talk that kind of rubbish.
Which good news? Come, I don't get you any drink. Why I won't give you? Make you carry your cap. Begin go where you they walk. Every time you they walk out, they find where you go drink. You go talk. Make you for drink. You get the good news where you want bring. No be that the body good news.
The Kachinami they give this insult.
I beg you.
Because I come here. Okay, no. Anyway, I come here to tell you, say my Oga daughter, Flora, don't come back. She don't come back.
Turn a lie, you. Now your plan. You want deceive me. You know go work for you.
Okay. See, make I tell you.
If you talk finish, you go. If you talk finish, you
What
go your
you?
place. Chengban, you know go
Oga,
see.
close mouth,
Chengban,
listen to me. Anyhow where you want to confirm, confirm. When you confirm, you must give me 1 carton of beer for this insult. Where you pour for my body. For after suffering to come here to come give you this news.
You where they give me insult to him. You not tell me say you get good news. You no get good news.
Okay. No, I don't come out here.
Come out.
When you confirm, you go come.
I know they give you any drink. Till I see you with my colo eyes. Come here, they tell me say I be like small pikin.
Whoa! So how's your brother Alpha?
Oh, he's doing great. He's fine. He even bought gifts for you and mommy.
I know, you must do that.
Yes, wow. Beautiful things though.
So, did he tell you whether he will come home soon? So that at least he can take over the management of my company.
Daddy.
Yes.
I don't think he's coming back anytime soon. No. Afamefuna got a good job over there. The pay is huge. So I do not think he's coming back anytime to come and manage your company here. No.
Come on. How much are they going to pay him compared to the huge empire that I have here?
Daddy, I'm not joking. No. Afamefuna is doing so well over there. Trust me.
Anyway, I'm consoled by the fact that my lovely daughter is here to help me manage my company. Pending when he will change his mind to come
He's not coming, Daddy. Trust me. He's fine.
Anyway, let's forget about him. Let's talk about you now. So I hope you are going to settle down very soon.
Yes. As a matter of fact, someone is already at the door.
Really?
Yes, Daddy.
Is he from here or there?
Oh, it's from here.
Oh, from our village?
No. But around the corner.
Anyway, it's all good. It's all good. I can't wait to see him.
Yeah, he'll soon be here.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm famished though. I'm hungry.
Famished? Let me cook for you. Yes. You think I can't cook? Look at you.
Mama. Mama. My woman don't come back. I won't go now in your comma place now. I won't go tell and say my woman he don't come back.
I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
But why didn't you tell your uncle first? Now uncle arrange the first before they will come.
You know, say this your blame. They do like say they reek because you know they hear word.
How?
I never tell you make you know they talk about my uncle. What didn't they do you self? Person when they happy for me now you want make I go they tell and waiting. You know what in that my uncle you don't do me. Today, call him pikin. He see me for load, one slap me. Even they want me, make I go they tell and say, I beg go. As you see me now, this headline he give me happy. I don't want anything we go spoil them. What did they do you?
No, calm down, no wahala. Eh? See, I will come in the evening. I'm going to the market. Maybe later in the evening we will align. Eh?
My man. Me and you, we know they align. The only align way me and you get now tomorrow. I won't go my woman place. Make I go pay everything. Call my woman.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow now.
You the best. So you want marry tomorrow.
Tomorrow
You start tomorrow immediately.
Dead here now.
Yeah, I dey happy. I go follow you go now.
No. Make a long go there now. Yeah, I go see you.
Eh?
Make you bless your clothes.
Yeah, I go bless her well.
Person we no go school na pokwa chananya. Onye na galo school na pokwe wananya no. Maka no well no. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na
You don't go take your wife finally. Yes. Welcome. Happy married life. Happy married life. You don't set. Now only one drink you carry.
For now. But na grape wine.
Okay, grape. No wahala. Okay. And see, the problem now be say the girl no dey. The girl no dey. Unless you want to see my oga.
Where he went now?
That's even better. Let's see chief.
Yes. When I want to see chief. Now guy come. See, get as you dey behave. Every time you go, wear the same clothes. Where you dey take catfish. Wear and come. How you want? I say you like that. Listen to me. Now pour, you know keep person. Say you pour, no stop you from the dress wear. They look good. You fine, just say money no recognize you. Keep your eye here. Fine boy. Where they come? This boy,
Person we no go school na pokwa chananya. Joy, onye na galo school na pokwe wananya. Joy, maka no well no. Such a person you no get him out.
No, wait here, We will soon join you. See you, make you remember my drink, my beer. I know they do anything for you for free. Maybe later now you go begin talk story.
I no promise and fail now.
You say what?
Drink. I no promise and fail you.
You. Just make me open mouth here. I no want to begin talk.
This one you are smiling like this. I hope all is well.
All is well, Chief. All is well, you.
How are you? Fine, Chief. Welcome to my home. Sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chief.
For accepting us into your home.
What am I doing? I have to accept you now.
Chief, how is family?
As you can see. Fine. How are you?
Chief, in every year you young, you know old.
What can I do? It's God, you.
Thank you, Chief, for welcoming us to your home.
So what brought you here?
Chief, you and I were witnesses to something phenomenal that happened long ago. It's unfortunate that Chief Benson and the wife were no more. But you and I know that a day like this will surely come.
I agree with you that you and I know that a day like this will come because I am not going to die yet. But this one you said, I am a witness because I know that I'm not a Jehovah's Witness. So the kind of witness you're talking about is what I don't know. So instead of this one, you are perambulating, going up and down. I don't know what you are driving at. Why don't you just come straight and hit the nail on the head?
Chief, it has been said and agreed that the Kachi here and Flora, your daughter, are meant to be one. When I mean husband and wife. And that's why we came with this drink.
What did you say is that your name again?
You know me, Chief.
Mazi Okeoma. You say you and I know.
Sure.
We agree that this thing will marry my daughter. Ekwa? What did you call yourself again? You called one name.
You know me, Chief.
Okeoma, have you?
Yes.
And you came to my house with what do you call this one? What did you call it? Grape. Now, you see that door? It's not locked. And my security man has express permission to allow you pass without hindrance. But if you come to my house again with this kind of lame talk about this non-entity, this almost imbecile of a man that you want to marry my daughter, you will live here lame. I can guarantee you that. So what I will advise, calm down, entertain yourself with this thing you call drink, and find the door. If I ever see your legs again in my house about this issue,
I had this feeling,
I don't know why people are ungrateful. Dekachi, let's live here. This is not the end of your life.
I don't want here at all, Luo. At all, Luo.
Akaragadi boy.
let's go.
Oh, hapụ ya.
Person wey no go school na pokwa chamanya o. Ịma na onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya n'oyi. Maka na onwere ọnụ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ibe n'ike o. Joy, person wey no go school na pokwa chamanya no. Joy, onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya o. Joy, maka na onwere ọnụ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na
Open this gate, open now.
If it dey easy for me,
Open this gate.
no be open this gate. Wetin happen there? Wetin happen? No, open this gate. Wetin dey worry you talk? See, madam. Oh. See my madam. Come on for there. Come on for there. Come on there. Come on there. You no dey hear come on there. See my madam. Come. Wetin happen? You don't become deaf and dumb. Hey! See when I don't even dey prepare to become the smart.
Maka na onwere ọnụ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ibe n'ike o. Joy, person wey no go school na pokwa chamanya no. Joy, onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya o. Joy, maka na onwere ọnụ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ife n'ike no.
Did you see those men?
Yeah, I saw 3 men leaving, but they don't look quite happy.
I wonder what your dad has said to them.
Dad? Does he have any issue with them?
They came for you. It is obvious he wasn't nice to them.
Wait. They came for me. I don't get it, Mom. How? Mom? Mommy!
And that's the highest way you do for me. What did again remain now? Not be wickedness. Not wickedness now. Nothing you tell me say that man, wicked. He wicked.
They can just stop sounding like that. Eh? Calm down. This is not the end of the road for you.
No, tell me that Butu Bugini. Eh? And because I know get money. Now all these things they happen. No, this word he hates me. He hates me. Huh? He hates me.
Stop sounding like that.
No. Tell me his word. No, he hates me. Why my papa and my mama die? Why my uncle he collect everything and my papa and mama he give me for word. Eh? If I dey talk that one, the woman where not in this word he hates me. Oh, he hates me. No, tell me.
No one hates you. Honey, stop saying that. Eh? Nobody hates him. Look, the truth of the matter is that I cannot allow him to marry my daughter. Not after spending so much money, millions, in training my daughter. Eh? How can I allow her to end up in the hands of a nobody as a wife? That is impossible.
I can't believe you're saying this. What has come over you?
Nothing. Nothing has come over me. And I don't care whatever you think, whatever you say. All I know is that I have raised the standard of my daughter so high that I can confidently tell anybody who cares to listen that I will not allow her to end in the hands of a man of that ilk. No, not possible. I will not.
But this was not what we discussed before we came to this village.
Why are you talking like this? Were you not here when he came? Didn't you hear what he said? I was told you are the son of late Chief Benson.
Yes, Chief.
Really?
Yes, Chief.
It looks like him now.
Wait, are you Onyedikachi?
He so much resembles the father.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chief.
Hey, you are so grown. Look at you.
I wish his father is alive today to see this is just the replica.
Hey. So, how were you able to locate me?
It's in me. I have I call my friend. I tell my friend anytime Chief come back, let me know. So my friend call, tell me, say Chief, he don't come back. So me I say I must come and see Chief. Because me I call a number my friend give me. I called number, but he do tun, so he know.
Okay,
you know,
did it connect?
Call it connect.
Oh, you've done well.
Connect.
You've done well, my son. Probably that was when I was abroad.
Oh.
Yes, I traveled then.
I'm happy to see you.
Yeah, me too. Hey, Chief Benson. You see, when your father died, I decided to come and take you to stay with me so that I can, bring you up, train you, give you the right education. So, but when I went to the village, your uncle, Arinze, refused vehemently to release you. I talked and talked and talked. There was nothing I didn't do. Well, so I decided to leave. Later on, I heard that he sold all your father's properties and mismanaged the money. I was pained. I decided to come back to plead so that I can take you and give you proper upbringing. Again, he refused. So I went to see the elders of your family and begged. So they conferred among themselves, but decided that you should stay with him because he's your uncle. So what could I do? I left. After then, we traveled abroad. I mean, with my entire family, and I lost the contact of everyone.
I thank God we found you. We had you in mind when we were coming back to this village to look for you.
It's God that do it.
Yes, it's God. It's God. But what exactly are you doing now for a living?
Now, I'm fisherman, fisher. I fish in Normambala River. I catch fish in Norman. Azukanako. But I used to do fan work. Fan work come, I go to do fan work. I combine with the fisherman.
How can you be farming? Fisherman? No, now. Why didn't you go to the city to look for a more lucrative job? Maybe work in a private company. Why?
Company? Chief, company, you go to school to company.
What is your qualification?
Fisherman.
I mean, level of education.
And what you
Okwe primary school.
No, what she meant is, I mean, where did you stop in your school?
Primary 2.
Hey!
Just primary.
You're telling me you stopped at primary 2. So if I decide today now to look for a job for you, you don't have any certificate I can tender?
No, I get certificate.
Certificate?
Fisherman certificate. Community, Okulora, the chairman in our community. They give certificates for highest fisherman. In class here, I know go school. So because say I know go school, me say my brain leak now. People people do business from Alaba International main market. But everybody go school. You know, everybody go school. You know me say me I useless. I don't useless now. It's go school, and because I speak English. It's what I speak. English. You know I stand. I don't understand. I stand now.
Yeah, see, maybe he thinks you are not educated, but that's not the end of the road for you. And if someone thinks you are useless, it doesn't mean you are useless. Just live your life the way it works for you.
But you see this life, this life is a pot of okwa. You see that's in this man. He nobody, he no get shishi chengan. My papa, he make a big man today. You see, you tell me, my papa, I meet this man. Thief. That time he no get. He can't work for my papa company. What he do? Now he not carpenter. Carpenter. He can't do for my papa company. My papa he can't finish the. My papa can't tell him. He young and work hard. I like to employ you. Approach you. Okay. So I can't employ my papa employer. Okay. He can't work. He can't get money. He can't one day tell my papa say thank you for everything you do. Now me I got money and can if pay you back for what you do. Okay. Your pikin that me go marry him pikin. He promise my papa say when we grow, two both of us married. Okay. Now time he don't reach, he agree. Oh, wow. He say no, say he no go. Say I no make.
See, if what you just said,
it's good. It's wicked. It's wicked.
We know it's not good. If what you just said is the truth, at least if he refuses to give you his daughter, at least help you financially.
Financially. He no give me. In Pekin, he no. This life, he hates me, oh. He no to tell me anything. I no care.
I hate you. I don't hate you. So
see me now. See me, the catchy. My papa, he get money. Plenty money. You know now. Today, my papa money. You know the. My papa, he don't die. My mama, he don't die.
Calm down.
My uncle, my money, my uncle, my papa, my uncle chop everything. Don't give me. Woman.
Do you want to cry? Don't cry. You're not a town crier. Calm down. Oh, Butu. Oh, my man. Don't cry.
This word, he hates me. He hates me.
Nobody hates you.
Because I no go school.
This is not the end of it.
Tell me, this word, he hates me. He hates me. My papa, he go. My mama, he go. Money, I no get. Woman, he promise. I no get.
Calm down. You can calm down.
Even if you don't want him to marry your daughter, at least you should be kind enough to support him financially. You got help when you were like him. Why are you doing this?
Honey, are you the one talking like this? Why are you talking as if I'm a stingy person? You know who I am. You know my financial capability. I have single-handedly raised over 15 millionaires. And as we speak, many of them are richer than I am. So are you talking as if I am not a good person, that I'm very stingy? Why?
Okay, you don't hate him, yet you don't want to help him. How do you want me to balance this?
Come on. How do you want me to help someone who does not need help? Yes, how? He has nothing. No education, no business ideas. He's completely empty.
How do you know he's empty?
Come on. How do you expect me to invest on somebody like that? Now, let me ask you a question. Tell me, why do you think that man needs financial help from us? Tell me.
Of course, he needs help. You could see he looks hungry. He sure do need help from us.
He looks hungry. No, he looks hungry. But when he came here, the only thing he could summon courage to ask for is our daughter's hand in marriage. When there are so many things he could have asked for, and we could have provided them. Is that the kind of person you are saying needs help? Come on. That young man does not need help.
Papa, guess what? Guess what happened today?
What happened? No,
Papa,
tell me what
something good happened today.
Olisa, calm down, come well, Papa. Papa, we met our old schoolmate today.
Exactly.
The guy is on money. If we go, hey!
He was even in junior class then.
Hey! Ego Amaka! I swear.
Hey! Chai!
If we go.
Hey! After Mulebele Bakanwa, you will. I am ashamed of the two of you. Both of you, I am very, very disappointed. Sometimes I wonder if you are truly my blood, if you are truly the products of my highly industrious loins.
National loins.
Ha! Look at you. You met your classmate who has made money, and you run back to come and tell me.
Papa, is that not good news?
Papa, yeah.
See, Papa, let me tell you. He said he wants to buy lands. Not land though, lands. And he gave us the contract.
Landed, agent, property, manager, everything.
Oh, in fact, now I know I have no son at all. Yes! Look at you. Your schoolmate, according to you, a very junior one.
Junior class,
Junior class. According to you, he comes back from the city with so much money and tells you he wants to buy lands at this time of the year. And you are happy. And you happily run back to the house to come and tell me.
Papa, he gave us the contract.
No, then according to you, the good news for both of you. Hey!
You see my problem with this man. Every time this man or two.
In fact, I'm ashamed of the two of you.
Nah, Papa, yeah. This is your problem. Every time you or two, you and two is like 5 and 6.
You don't appreciate good things.
See, Papa, don't you want to sell out the Kachis land? Nah, I thought I'm going to go.
Yeah, lazy down.
We brought business.
Wait. Excuse me. When did he say he's coming back?
This weekend. Weekend in car. I'm not calling. I wear agent. Take agent serious.
Land agent.
Person we no go school na pokwa chananya. Imanonye na galo school na pokwe wananya no. Maka no wela no. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na even ikeo. Joy, person we no go school na pokwa chananya no. Joy, onye na galo school na pokwe wananya. Joy, maka no wela no. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na even ikeno. It is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty plus illiterate, while a day, mana o mebu mo benye takwana efine weloto. Neno wanana chia na chulo yijio. Oh.
Brian, my boyfriend. Brian, my parents.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Brian, please have a seat.
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good. So, Brian, can I know you?
Well, I'm Brian, the son of late Chief Brutus Okoli.
Brutus Okoli. Oh, could that be the CEO of Brutus Aluminium?
Sure, sir. You're right.
Wow, what a small world. He used to be one of my best business friends.
Oh, really?
Yes. As a matter of fact, he supplied the aluminium sheets that I used to roof my factory building.
Oh.
I didn't know he had a son like you.
I am his first son, sir. Though I was schooling in Canada, where I met Flora, your daughter.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a wonderful world.
Thank you, sir.
It's a little world indeed.
Mom, do you know him?
I don't even want to know him.
But you acted like you have an issue with him.
I said I don't know him, and I don't want to know him.
Is there something you're not telling me?
Please leave me alone. If there is anything you want to know, it's your father that should be telling you about that guy that came here yesterday with his people.
Do I have any business with that guy of yesterday?
It is your father you should be asking, whether if or not. I am just a housewife. I don't know anything.
I am all ears. I want to hear it.
If it's not ready to say it, I am ready to tell you the whole story. Ogenadu.
It's all right. The father was a good man. He made me what I am today. Yes. We are not related in any way. But he picked me from nowhere